So last night it was less about India winning the game and more about Pakistan losing it. The way Pakistan fielded it felt like it was quintessential Pakistan when they dropped Rishabh Pant's catches left, right, and center. Not that we didn't like it, we loved it. We loved it. So in the bowling department, it was vintage Pakistan. They triggered a collapse in us, which was so familiar back in the 90s. And in the batting, it was traditional Pakistan. At one moment, it felt like they are taking the game away, but then something happened. We choked them and they buckled under pressure and fell like nine pins. Not that they got all out, but having 3 wickets in hand and still losing the game chasing 120 is a win that we'll really remember for a long time. But then what I've thought is it is time that we re-anoint our arch rival tag. For decades now, we have been calling Pakistan our arch rivals. But be very honest, ask yourself, does beating Pakistan gives you maximum sense of happiness or a sense of achievement these days? No, right? It doesn't feel the same. Unless you are someone who is driven by geopolitical jingoism, like we are way above them in terms of cricketing brilliance. That arch rival tag should be taken away from Pakistan and be put on Australians. They are our arch rivals, not Pakistan. See you in the next game.